Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. That is the wrong slide. Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is Tuesday, October 30th, 2018. For our weather, we're looking at 54 degrees with a low temperature this evening of 52 degrees. There is an 80% chance of rain. It does look like it is going to rain throughout the night. PBS focus for this week, we're looking at the hallways and stairs. We're going to look at being safe on the hallways. That means that we are keeping our hands and feet to ourselves. We are walking in the hallway and down each one of our stairs, and then using our handrails. Remember to be responsible, respectful as well while you are in the hallway. Just a couple reminders today from 3:30 until 5 o'clock. We're having the costume giveaway in the cafeteria. Also tomorrow we'll have our parade at 11 o'clock, weather permitting. If weather is bad, we will do that in the gymnasium. And don't forget that there is football practice this afternoon. Lunch today, we're looking at the fresh garden salad with all the fixings. You gotta have your crunchy baby carrots and your own choice of milk. And then tomorrow, because tomorrow is a half day for students, you're looking at a bagged lunch. Special announcements, just some reminders that the costume giveaway is today. And then also, we have, once you've used your costume, you can donate your costume back here to the school, and we will recycle those for next year so other students have an opportunity to use them as well. You also can turn them in at the Raven Cafe downtown. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. Here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. Please make sure that you're always doing things the Voyager way. And go Voyagers!